Good morning, good morning, good morning. Whee! What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? We are here, we are alive. It is happening. It's Tuesday. Yay. All right. We got the QQQ we're looking at right here. Not much of a gap up overnight, which is nice. Not really much going on here. Kind of just in that range from yesterday's close. So waiting to see what happens here when the market opens up. Let's get it started, baby. Bum 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 dun 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 dun. Market yesterday really just being crazy, huh? What was funny is look at that, how that kind of played out there. Bounced right off that trend line there, 18,073 there at noon, and then ripped up there. Interesting. Push up there to that pivot point, 18,126, and then the end of the day goes from the 30s up there to the 200s. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So right now, the 15-minute chart, not looking too sexy. Another day of chop. Very good possibility of that. I think we don't, no news today, right? No news today? What we got? Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, not much in terms of news today. We got the New Zealand milk auctions. Ooh, global dairy trade price index. That's what I want to see. I want to see those, the milk index. Right now, the dollar moving down here, the NASDAQ moving up. That 15-minute chart, the high from the overnight up there at the 99s. Yesterday's high, 201. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Right now, NASDAQ just kind of squeezing up here. Oof. If we look pivot point wise, we got a pivot point up there, 18,270s. The high so far, 18,200 level. 99 was the high overnight. So Got to be aware of those pivot points, my friends. Pivot points love to get touched. That's right. That's right. That's right. Looking at the hourly chart right now, pretty tight range here. And pretty much just that equal high up there from the overnight at that 18,200 level. So this is the channel that we got going right now with the hourly chart. She does look a little interesting. Right now the Dow's pushing up. ES is pushing up. The ES just made a new high. So the ES is above yesterday's close and up there to the 5,213 right now. Five-minute chart to the top of the range right now. The high there, 95, and then that 99 level up there. 99s, baby. Like I said, the ES pushed up over the high there from the overnight and the high from yesterday. NASDAQ still lagging here. Dollar pulling back. I got a real haircut. Look at me. I'm so fancy now. I can afford it. Thank you guys for all your support. Finally, I could go out and afford a new haircut. So nice. New haircut. Who dis? Right now, the dollar's making a new low, pulling back here. So. Oh, NASDAQ just popped up there really quickly to that 95 level. Yeah, take out that high there. What do you think? Up there through the 200s next. The overnight high here. Well, there you go. Overnight high taken out there. So they popped it up there above that overnight high for now to kind of take out some stops up there. Where do they go next? The $1 million questions, baby. We know that 18,200 area is going to be a key level here at open, so be prepared. Be prepared. 18,200s. That's right. So, like I said, on the bigger time frame here, 30-minute chart, you can see that big old range that we're in right now. We got a pivot point to the upside, 240 area. Pivot point to the upside here. Let's see what happens. I'm interested. I'm very, very interested to see what happens here. Good morning, everybody in the chat. Stephen H, unblock me. Okay, no problem. I got you. NASDAQ right now just sitting here at the 18,200 area. Going into open here. So we got a lot of time here. 20 minutes till market opens. On the 15-minute chart, there's a pivot point up there at the 18,270s. We were just looking at the 30-minute chart. There's a pivot point to the downside, 18,126 is. NASDAQ pushing through the 200s here. Oh, buddy. What's gonna happen next? So obviously right now, that bottom little double bounce off that 150 level from the overnight, that was also where we had resistance there on Monday as well. So Monday resistance there, the NASDAQ pulled back into that Monday resistance, turned it into support, and now has just been on a ripper to the upside up there. Push. So let's see what happens. A lot of bears in the chat. A lot of bears in the chat. Do I think the upcoming election is making the market turn bullish again? Not really. Just kind of how it goes. Colombian Snow, can I please load the pivot points once again? Sure, bro. Whatever you want. I'm just here for the people. There you go. Pivot points. Traditional. Take a screenshot. Figure it out. God. Is the trading view indicator you look at footprint? No. Joshua, I'm in Fort Lauderdale, no longer in Orlando. Hey. All right, so right now the market going nowhere fast. We know where we have this big old range right now here, 15-minute chart from the overnight. Above this level, we got a pivot point up there at the 270 area. So 270 area to the upside. Matt Christensen, thanks for the Apex suggestion. Loving how you can get in and practice with a lot less skin on the line. It's not you know, hey. A lot of people want to hate on prop firms, but at the same time, it is what you make it. Trevor the investor, 15-minute from the overnight. I thought we were doing 15-minute from the open. Sometimes I gotta stop reading the chat in the morning because it's just like, what is that question? When did I say 15-minute from the overnight? Guys, if you got questions about the pivot point thing, there's a fucking million videos on my motherfucking channel every day. It's like my pivot points don't, just relax. God, I'm not doing this every fucking day. Going over fucking pivot points every fucking day. It's literally the easiest fucking indicator in the entire fucking world. It is literally the easiest fucking indicator. Look. Go on it. Go on TradingView. Type in pivot. Pivot point standard. Pivot point standard. Click on pivot point standard. Oh my God. It's magic. It's magic. It's not that time of the month. It's just fucking annoying every day. The same question. Pivot points. Show me the pivot points. How do I put the pivot points? Like, if you're sitting here in the chat asking about pivot points, just go ahead and quit now. Go ahead and quit trading, because you're never going to learn how to trade. You're never going to make money. So just fucking give up. Like, literally just give the fuck up. If you're sitting here in the chat asking about fucking pivot points at this point, just give up. Just fucking stop. Seriously, you know, like, just stop trading. Like, please, just stop. Just stop. You know, just stop. Please. Maybe he is new in the chat. I mean, either way, new or not. Go just, I can't do it anymore. All right, I just want to show everybody in the fucking chat. All right, look, very quickly. One more time. Look, pivot points. This is, there's two, I have two pulled up. I just, look, watch, 270, 18,270 is the pivot point on my indicator, right? Now watch. Now I want everybody in the fucking chat to watch. Look, pivot points. I'm gonna go here, do it one more time. Pivot point standard. Let's see if it's exactly the same as mine. Let's find out. Oh my God, it's exactly the fucking same. Exactly. So fucking you are dumb. The guy asking Colombian snow, you are fucking an idiot, because look, it's exactly the same. Exactly the fucking same. So you said you're not an idiot, but yes, you are a fucking idiot. You know? God. I'm not an idiot. It just won't work. Yeah, no, you're a fucking idiot. So yeah, that's exactly what you are. God. I'm on the 15-minute time frame. All right, so we know that the 18,200 area obviously is resistance right now. We got support down there, 18,150s. We got no news today. We got no news today. So I don't know what's gonna happen here. I don't know what's exactly gonna happen. Pivot points work on the 1-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, all time frames. But once you go above 15 minutes, the pivot points change. So above 15 minutes, they change. Below 15 minutes, they are always the same. I go off of the 15-minute chart, pivot points, or the 5-minute, or you know, whatever, fucking 2-minute, 1 minute, whatever you fucking want to do. Mine only change after 15 minutes. No gap in the chart today. Hello. Good. I might have had a missed call from a number yesterday. I don't know who it was, but it might have been them. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 All right. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, that was a doctor. For my surgery on Thursday, getting the fucking skin cancer cut out of my back. 35 years old, got skin cancer. Check yourselves, my friends. If you go out in the sun, go to the dermatologist and get yourself checked. $18,200 level. Yeah, I mean, it was early. So, it's very early. Very early caught. So it's nothing to worry about. Just preventative, cut it out now, be done with it. Right now, the NASDAQ just sitting around here at the 18,200 level. Where is it gonna go? We got 6 minutes till market opens. MOHS surgery is no big deal. What's that mean? What's MOHS? MOHS surgery. A procedure used to treat certain type of skin cancer, penile cancer, and soft tissue. During most surgery, the visible tumor and thin layer of tissue around it is removed. No big deal, baby. Let's go. Yenny had it removed as well. Hey, I'm ready to go, baby. How did I find out? I went to the doctor. I went to the skin dermatologist. They don't put you to sleep. They just do local anesthesia. They basically just like cut out the thing around and cut out the skin and try to figure out like how deep the cancer is, and then they just take out all the skin with cancer in it. Clayton Hamler, I do not use Bookmap right now. I'm not against it. I just don't have it pulled up right now. I'm just trying to not use it. So, or I'm not trying to not use it. I don't know. Everybody keeps asking about Bookmap. I don't have it pulled up right now, to be honest. Who made you aware of it? I mean, I've always known about dermatologists. Oh God, guys, this is not a, I'm not sitting here and explaining what indicators I use, why. Let's just focus on making money. We got 3 minutes until market opens. All right, if you got questions about Bookmap, you got questions about other stuff, this is not the time for it. Let's focus on making money right now, and then, you know, we can move on. 18,200 key level right now going into open. We got that pivot point at the upside, 270s. NASDAQ right now just pushing up here. Pushing up here. Ugh. Like, why does it do this shit? It like pops up like this right before the market opens, and then you're like, fuck, you get the FOMO, and then it fucking chops around and so annoying. Jimmy the Butler, am I looking for longs or shorts? Not really looking for anything. I have no, I'm gonna trade the price action. I don't really care what happens here. As of right now, it's going higher. So let's see what happens. All right, we got 30 seconds here till the market opens. NASDAQ straight up. God damn it. Fucking hate this shit. Why? Like, why? We got the VWAP on the NASDAQ all the way down there at the 181 level. So VWAP down here at the 80s. It's time for the market to open. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. It's free to like. There we go. Market is now open for business. The poll up 53% at open. Let's go. NASDAQ pulling back here. Testing that 200 area again. Now the Dow's selling off here. NASDAQ chopping around this 200 level. Oh, buddy. It's the most annoying shit when this goes on like this. NASDAQ up there to a high now of 230. Wow. Still going. Really nowhere to get in, so we're gonna have to wait for the 15-minute opening range. All right, let's see if we get some pullback here. This 15 area down there would be nice to get a bounce off of, but NASDAQ just chopping around here, baby. Going nowhere fast now. At this 230 level. I think we got to pull back some, huh? They're holding up at the 20s for now. Will they squeeze through the 30s? So like we expected here, that pullback, NASDAQ back down 220 through the 220 area. Will they find some support here? They're trying to find some support here. 15s. Dow's starting to push back up. NASDAQ straight back up here now. Choppity chop. Nothing bullish right now. Waiting for this to kind of show some strength here. If we get back above that 222 area, then try to push up through the 40s. But as of right now, just being patient, waiting for this pullback here. Starting to push up here now. I'm gonna try this long here through the 220s. Just got chopped. Fucking A. Let's see. And denied. Oh God. Stopped out there. Got 2 minutes until the 15-minute opening range. Wow. The dollar selling off here. The Dow trying to push up. NASDAQ just sitting here right now holding. Back to that 220 area again. I think if they get through this area, it's gonna just rocket up. So it's got to get through there. NASDAQ just sitting here at the 20s for now. Did we get one more squeeze up there? Pivot point to the upside of the 270s. Oh, buddy. Oh. The best part is my stop was literally the low of that move. Oh, that's painful. That hurts just a little bit. Just a little bit, man. It hurts. NASDAQ wants that push here. Oh, buddy. The moral of the story, my friends, is just as important as your entry is. It's just as important for your stop loss. So, should my stop have been right there? No, my stop should have really been down here below 200. Just didn't want to give back that much. Sometimes. So we're going for the 15-minute opening range breakout here through the 36s. That high from that opening range 36s there. The chop is real. Little double top there. Continue the chop session. You gotta love it. And the NASDAQ once again pulling back here, back to the 200 level. Oh, buddy. NASDAQ down there to the 18,200s. The VWAP on the NASDAQ right now at the 88s. We'll try this VWAP bounce here. Back up above the 200s again. Need to get above this high, this candle right now, 205. Need to rip it through the 205s there. Trouble. I don't like it. I'm getting out of a break even. Fucking A. Can always re-enter. If we get above that 205s. Like right now. Oh, God. The Dow just broke out. The NASDAQ through the 205s right after I get off a break even. You motherfuckers. Just one of those days. The Dow is going straight up. Both the ES and NASDAQ trying to hold here. NASDAQ trying to push above that 210 level again. Off the VWAP. You gotta love it. NASDAQ just chopping around here. A lot of room here to go down if we get through that 90 area, but right now just chopping around there from earlier. Right now, we're looking at the 2-minute chart. Two-minute chart here. Right now, stuck there below the 18,200s. I feel like this wants to move down, but through this 90 area, it's like 60, fucking 70 pretty quickly, I feel like. Right? Am I seeing stuff? Through 90s here, we get this sell down into here. 15-minute opening range candle there, break into the downside. Turning that into resistance now. I think we move down here to the 60s. Peter, why not do some micro gambling trades while we wait for the real ones to make more entertaining for us? Hey, Peter, go fuck yourself. Is that entertainment? Are you entertained? Are you entertained, Peter? Congratulations. There's no point in me doing micro fucking trades to gamble. What's the point? NASDAQ right back up again off that fucking 90 level. Oh my God. mean, the 15-minute chart. Well, now we know if we get above this 212 area, if you get above that 212 area, you've got a breakout potential to get this move back up, but I still think we're heading lower here. Can they take it through the 90s? Get down there. Market stuck below the 200s. Oh, buddy. The Dow once again trying to squeeze up. The dollar looking weak. If we get back above that 200 level, let's see what happens. See if we push back up there and test that 210 level again. I want to get through that 210 level. Just try to push back above 200 and chop around some more. Oh, buddy. Right now, we're sitting there at the QQQ VWAP there. 440 area. There's that pivot point, 441 to the upside for the Qs. So if we get through the VWAP here, maybe get that little push up. But as of right now, going nowhere. Still stuck below the 200s. Look at the Dow. Dow's ripping back to the highs right now. Dow just made a new high. Trying to be patient, let something happen here, but right now, just really hard to get a read here. We're holding up at this 200 level, stuck there. If we can get back above 211, maybe they want to run this through the highs. The Dow just made a new high. The ES is holding up. Dollar's looking weak. Right now, the QQQ stuck below the VWAP there. We gonna roll this down or what? QQQ testing VWAP once again there. VWAP, VWAP, getting through there. We get a breakout straight up, I think. Let's see, trying to push now. We got to get through that 210 level on the NASDAQ here. Pushing back up there towards that little 210 imbalance area. Just more chop. Back up there to the 210s again. All right, the moment of truth. Do we blast through there? There's the blast off. All right, we need to turn this kind of this area into support. Patrick, listen to me. If ES breaks 221, we're going to the 227. Okay. I listened. What does that mean? Patrick, listen to me. All right, so we pushed above the QQQ VWAP there, like we talked about, this breakout. Sneaky Texas Venom, I'm shorting all in right here. Might be time to get all along. I mean, the bounce off the VWAP earlier was fucking, you know, pretty good there. That idea of getting long off the 90s. I liked it. Market's trying to push up here through the 20s. How high? Look at the Dow right now. The Dow is absolutely just ripping to the moon. Dollar's pulling back here. The Dow right now on a mission. The NASDAQ stuck at the 20s for now. We got that high from earlier up there at the 36s. A pivot point to the upside all the way up there at the 270s, by the way. Gotta stay hydrated, people. Gotta stay hydrated. Is this gonna be a fake out or another just fucking bull flag breakout, go straight up thingy? The ES pushing straight up, NASDAQ trying to get through the 20s here. And the NASDAQ right back down again. You gotta love it. Mo chop, mo problems. Nasty little reversal there again. Back down there to the 95s, 200s, just pop it straight back up. Can't really do much here, my friends. I don't know. Range bound. Look at this thing now. Look at it now. I think it's a good time to go just walk away here. I don't know. I'm looking at it. I'm like, oh, maybe it starts selling down through the 80s, down there to the 150s next. I don't fucking know. I don't know. It's not happening today. So we'll be back tomorrow and we'll do it again. We'll do it all over again tomorrow. So now it's just stuck there in the 90s again. I don't know. So we'll see. But there it is. Oh, buddy. I need a shirt that says the trap is real. The trap is real. All right, there it is. If you guys haven't hit that like button, you know what to do. We got 333 likes. What's going on with these like button, man? Y'all are killing me here. There it is. Your studio looks like a 1980 brothel. 1980s? They had McLarens in 1980 brothels? Wow. Back in 1980, they had a 2019 McLaren sitting there. It's so interesting. If you guys want to learn more, check out Apex right now. It's 80% off a one-day pass. One-day pass with Apex. So right now, it's going on. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. The sale's happening. It's 80%. You can trade up to 20 counts, copy trading with Trade-Evade and all that fun stuff. So the best deal in the industry right now. Apex, check out onlyprofirms.com. I'm going to go and watch the rest of the Tom Brady roast. I started watching it this morning. It's pretty funny. So there it is. I'll talk to you guys later on. This light is bright. Peace to the Middle East. Do-do-do-do-do-do.